Welcome back to Drywall Tips number 2 with Tommy. This is for our second coat.
This is Tips by Tommy.
This is Tips by Tommy installment 2.
Okay.
This is our second coat of our drywall. For this, we're still using the same mud. We're using a 10-inch drywall knife for this, for our second coat.
What did you do with the first one? What was the size?
It was a 4-inch knife, the first one.
Okay.
You can also use a 6-inch knife. Some people use a 6-inch knife on the first one, but I usually just use a 4-inch. But for this one, we're going to use we're going all the way up to a 10-inch. So it's pretty simple. It's not near as hard as doing the first coat. You don't have to try to hold the tape or anything like that. We're just going to smear the mud on basically and make sure we got a good thin coat. We don't want the coat to be too thick because we're going to mostly wind up sanding most of it off anyway. Oops.
Making a mess again. Here it is, like spreading cake icing. It's like if you do cakes, ladies, it's like spreading a second coat of icing over your crumb coat. Is there any certain thickness that you need to get this to?
No, not really.
You're just spreading a thin coat on.
Spread it on.
We're just working one section of wall space here.
All right, so here we have a little hard crumble of mud in it that had dried. So sometimes you have to watch that, and if it is there, you just pick it out with your finger and then just run back over it. This stuff doesn't dry very quickly, so we're not trying to get it on too thick. And what we want to do too is to make sure we feather the edge out. I just put a little extra pressure on the outside edge of the knife so that we can then thread the edge out over it.
So you can thread the edge out? What does that mean?
Just kind of, we just want to kind of even it out, or just kind of feather it in, I guess would be a better word for it. So.
Feather it
in.
That's what the drywall term is, but to me, when I don't really know a lot about drywall, I just say you're spreading icing on the cake.
Pretty much. So this is what our second coat looks like. I'm going to have to get some more mud to do the rest of the joint.
Oh, okay, you ran out of mud here.
That's not going to be enough to do.
Okay. So awesome. So this is drywall mud coat number 2, and we have 2 rooms to do.
Mm-hmm.
So, and we'll film a third coat, correct?
We'll do a third coat after this.
And then we'll show you how to do the third coat and sanding.
Yeah.
So thank you, Tommy.
Thank you.
Say
thanks for tuning in
to Tips by Tommy.